Top car detailing products for a showroom shine. When it comes to maintaining your car's pristine appearance, having the right detailing products is essential. From waxing and polishing to cleaning the interior, each step plays a crucial role in achieving that showroom shine. In this guide, we'll explore some of the top car detailing products that will help you achieve professional level results. Premium Car Shampoo. Start your car detailing process with a high quality car shampoo. Look for a pH-balanced formula that effectively removes dirt, grime, and road residue without stripping off wax or damaging the paint. A foaming car shampoo can provide better coverage and lubrication, making it easier to wash away stubborn contaminants. Microfiber wash mitts. Investing in a set of microfiber wash mitts can make a significant difference in your car washing routine. Unlike traditional sponges or towels, microfiber mitts trap dirt and debris, preventing swirl marks and scratches on the paint surface. They also offer a gentle touch, making them safe for use on all types of paint finishes. Dual Action Polisher. For more advanced detailing tasks such as paint correction and polishing, a dual action polisher is a must-have tool. These electric buffers feature oscillating and rotating motions, making it easier to remove swirls, scratches, and oxidation from the paint surface. Paired with the right polishing pads and compounds, a dual-action polisher can revive dull paint and restore its glossy finish. High-quality wax or sealant. Protecting your car's paintwork is crucial for maintaining its appearance and resale value. Choose a high-quality car wax or sealant to provide long-lasting protection against UV rays, water spots, and environmental contaminants. Whether you prefer a traditional carnauba wax for its warm glow or a synthetic sealant for its durability, regular application will keep your car looking its best. Interior cleaner and protectant. Don't forget about the interior of your car when detailing. Use a dedicated interior cleaner to remove dust, dirt, and stains from surfaces like dashboard, upholstery, and carpets. Follow up with a quality interior protectant to restore a like-new appearance and provide UV protection against fading and cracking. Glass cleaner. Achieving streak-free clarity on your car's windows and mirrors is essential for both safety and aesthetics. Choose a glass cleaner that effectively removes dirt, grime, and fingerprints without leaving behind residue or streaks. Opt for ammonia-free formula to avoid damaging tinted windows or sensitive glass surfaces. Investing in the right car detailing products is key to achieving professional-level results and maintaining your car's showroom shine. From washing and polishing to protecting and maintaining, each step plays a crucial role in preserving your vehicle's appearance and value. With these top car detailing products in your arsenal, you'll be able to keep your car looking its best for years to come.